All right, let's go ahead and stop this from happening right here. You see, it's not even, it's hanging on for dear life right here. There's two reasons why it does this, so most likely you don't have to buy a new charger, so good news there. But let's go over the first reason. The first reason is these little golden pins you see here. They're actually springs. So if you press down on it, you may not be able to see it clearly, but you get the idea. If you press down on it, it should pop back. You should feel it pop back in that springing motion. If you don't, that's a good sign that you may have to put some mechanical oil like WD-40, just like very small drops, and then like spread it out so all the pins pop out. That's issue number one. Issue number two, which is most likely your issue. This is the issue I'm having myself as well. So this gray space here you see inside the charger, that's just one big magnet. So of course, as you move your laptop around, let me get back focused. But of course, as you move your laptop around, you're going to get like some small pieces of metal stuck in there. So as soon as we get back focused, there's a little black piece of metal stuck in mine that we're going to take out. You can use something like tweezers or whatever you have. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't know how, but it looks like a small black piece of metal or lead maybe. But yeah, so once you take that out, let's try it again. Remember, it was hanging on for dear life last time. Boom. But yeah, hopefully this saved you some money. Just a quick fix you can do under a minute. But that's all I got for you for this video. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.